And in general, I was like, hey, as long as we keep this order block, I don't really care what happens. It's probably going to retest a bit before, and then we get our launch pad, and then we go for the all-time high end-of-year rally. We print 200K, we call it a day, and we take some profits. All hell broke loose today, and Bitcoin was not immune to Elon and Trump beefing. Just flat out wasn't. And rightfully so, I guess. All markets kind of retracted for the most part, and we got major selling, and we yanked out of this order block, and I'm very not happy about that because it was holding for a bit. And I was waiting for it to walk back up, and we lost it. So, in short, I've had a lot of conversations about this today. We have very little time for the bull whales to correct this. If we lose this very, very important order block, we're talking about having to go find support again. And if we're out of this block, support is somewhere down here. Whether, I don't know if it's going to just V-bottom off a pivot. Like I said, tomorrow. So what's the counter argument that we just moon and print an all-time high tomorrow? China comes in and announces they have a trade deal with Trump. They're best buds now. Xi and Trump see eye to eye, and then Jerome Powell comes in. He goes, you know what? This is a great time to rate cut. Bada bing, 200K, right? Beautiful, beautiful prints, right? Huge. But that's likely not going to happen. So in the short period of time, if Friday, we're going into Friday and the weekend too. We need Friday to get back in here at the minimum. And if we don't, I'm going to start saying, hey, this may be a creek. We need to start coming back down and finding support somewhere. And I want to find support sooner than later, because the more times we hit this resistant order block and we don't break through the damn thing, it's not bullish. So we got to keep that in mind and keep things trucking. But if you guys have any questions, hit me up in the chat. We still have a Coinbase premium, and I'm probably going to get around to releasing this tool. It's just you guys have no idea how hard it is to release tools. But I want to get this out there eventually. But Coinbase is still showing a premium over USD or over the Binance pair, and I'm paying attention to that. So, why is Runner focusing so much on TradeFi and Bitcoin and the majors? Well, the majors are what matter right now, and this couldn't be summed up any better. Macro CRT, altcoins all the time for no reason at all. And this has been the sentiment for the past 12 months. Every altcoin rotation we get, short of like hype, has lasted like 3 to 4 weeks, and then it just dives. And even this week, we saw Fartcoin just completely plummet out of nowhere. And I don't think there was a reason. And it plummeted before the whole Twitter drama with Trump. So it's crazy. And I say Fartcoin. Let's check on Dipwheeler. Dipwheeler saying breaking. Bank of America sees Fartcoin as... he's right. He's right. I love Dipwheeler.